Hi friends, good evening. Welcome back to my session. So in today's session, we'll discuss some interviews questions. Yesterday we have discussed a few of the questions for a hoop concept, like what is object, what is class, what are the feature of hoop concept, how will we implement the hoop concept, what is abstraction, interface, method overloading, method overriding, interface, inheritance. So few of the questions yesterday session we discussed. In today's session we'll discuss these questions. What is marker interface? As a fresher, maybe you will be face some kind of question like public static void main. What is the purpose of public? Like what is the purpose of static? Someone maybe ask you. The next question, SOP, nothing S is out, like system.out.println. What is the purpose of that? What is method signature? What is access modifier? How we can create an object? So these are the questions. In this session we'll close the hoop concept, and tomorrow session we'll start the next topic. So let me discuss what is marker interface. Marker interface is nothing like interface that have no member is known as marker interface. No member in the sense we have some of the interface like serializable, clonable, remote. These are the interface. There are no member, so that we can call as marker interface. Let me tell you example for marker interface is serializable, and then clonable, remote. These are the example of marker interface. So suppose I have declared a interface public interface serializable. So in this method we can in this interface we can say as a marker interface because we are using serializable. Suppose I can create nested interface also using that. And then next we will go for what is public static void main, PCVM, public static void main. Public means that main method called from anywhere. If I declared a class as a public, throughout the class I can call, other class I can call the specific main method. If it is public, anywhere you can call that specific method. Okay. So next is static. Static means main method does not belong to any specific object. Okay. Next is void. Void means nothing as a return type. There is no return. Main method will not return values. No values over there. So next public static void. Then we have main. Main is the name of the function. Main method is special because it is the start of program. Then we are specifying like string, array of arguments. We are specifying while declaring the main method, right? The string array means an array of string. Arg means arg is the name of string array. Within the body of the main method, argument is not special. Okay. So this is the, you can explain like public means main method can be called from anywhere. Static means main method does not belong to specific object. Void means main method returns no value. Public static void. Then main is the name of the function. Okay. So next will be discuss what is SOP. SOP nothing but sysout, system.out.println. So what is the purpose of that? System means inside system class. The declaration of that looks like suppose I have declared s.o.p. System means final class of Java loading. O means out, static member. Println is the method which is print stream class. So public static final pin stream out, and inside the pin stream class which is declaration of println method that has a method signature looks like this, like this out that method where printing that specific variable result, that one. Okay. So next we will discuss what is method signature. Okay, method signature means a name of method and signature. It's simple, like I have by method public void m1. Inside that I am passing some argument, integer a1, integer I, int a or int b, anything I will be pass the argument. That is the method name is the m1 method. The argument type we are passing, this is the like format signature of the main method. Don't take your signature, okay. Then we'll go for access modifier. Access modifier we have public, private, protected and then default. These are the access modifier we are using in Java classes, okay. So public means throughout the class we can access. If I declare the class as a public, we can access throughout the class, okay. So next is how we can create an object, okay. So through the while we are trying to create an object, so throughout the using new keyword we are creating the object. If someone will we have other features also there, like shallow cloning, deep cloning. There is a lot of features, I can discuss that later. So if someone will be asked without new keyword how to create the object, so there is some of the method is there, like class.forName method, clone method, reflection API is there. Using this concept we can create the object. So next is the next session, the next question is if someone will be asked without the concept of OOP feature, can you implement our code, develop our coding part? No, OOP concept is the center of every technology, every language is following the OOP approach, so that OOPs is mostly required to represent the real world into a coding world, or is a coding part. We need this thing to represent, okay. So next is one more thing, I told serialization interface. What is that serialization? Serialization is nothing but a process where we are just capturing object data and writing that into a data file. That is the concept of serialization, okay. Then next is can anyone ask? It's the next question. What if any question I missed here, can you tell me? For coming to OOP concept, just tell me so that I can explain here. Okay. Has a relationship means we can say as composition and aggregation. Mostly for usability purpose, we are using this has a relationship. To represent this has a relationship, we are using the new keyword, okay. These are tightly coupled. Like if let me tell, I have created a class A, then I am creating one more class B. In A class I am creating the method, sorry, in B class I am creating the method. If I deleted this class, if his class is not exist, what is the use of creating this class? How I can achieve this class B? What is the meaning of this method declaration? Anything is there? No, right? So that is the concept of composition and aggregation has a relationship. Okay, composition means tightly coupled. Aggregation means it's not tightly coupled. As we discussed yesterday sessions, if the department sometimes some department will be not be there, like MC department is here. If we don't have any student, we can close the department, okay. At that time we can shift, we can switch the lecture from this department to another department. They will join another department, okay. That is not tightly coupled. That is the concept of aggregation, okay. So anything else? Okay. So if someone will ask what is OOP concept, you should simply say like it is a principles which helps to represent real world object into programmatically using those features encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance and polymorphism. Data hiding. Okay. What is data hiding? Data hiding is nothing. It's mainly used for secure purpose. Yesterday, I think I discussed already that ATM functionality. What are the things happening back end? User should not be know about this. So that is the concept of data hiding. Outsider cannot access. So any other questions? Okay. So I can discuss that tomorrow sessions. So which topic we'll choose? Can anyone tell which topic we can take for interview question sessions in tomorrow's topic? In tomorrow's session. Okay, in tomorrow's sessions we will discuss about the multi-threading or collection or exceptionality. Which one I will take? Okay, then fine, tomorrow session I will discuss on that. So just let me tell the overall interview question from OOP concept. So what is OOP? What are the features of OOP concept? So you people have to remember every concept, one example, just practice that and keep in your mind. For abstraction, which one we have to take, for encapsulation, which one we need to take. Just remember all the questions, all the features as well as one example. What is object? Next is component and resource. What is inheritance and what are the types of inheritance and how we can achieve that. Remember the definition as well as example. Okay, what is easy relationship and hazy relationship? Abstraction, data hiding, method signature, method binding and dynamic method dispatcher, dynamic method binding, abstract class and interface. What is system.out.println? What is public static void main? What is the purpose of main method should be static? Can I create or instance abstract class? Okay, good. Can I implement one interface to another interface? What is encapsulation and what are the advantages? How I can achieve that? So next is what is polymorphism? What is method hiding? What is overloading and overriding? Can I declare main method as final? No, right. How many ways I can create object? What is tightly coupled? What is object? What is class? So next is you have to remember what is the latest version and what are the version is mostly using in our industries. 1.8, 1.11 in latest, what are the changes is there? How we can achieve lambda expression? You should have to remember. For the feature session, I will be taking one more session for feature different session. So these are the questions from OOP concept. Okay. So in tomorrow session, we will discuss from string or collection or multi-threading or exception. Which one? Okay. Okay, string will take. Yeah, sure, fine. So anything else? Any doubt, anyone? Thank you.